Hi, I'm Staff Sergeant Dwayne Hopkins II, and I'm an air transportation craftsman. The biggest ground safety hazards I faced in my Air Force career were spotting incidents. Pretty much another vehicle backed into another vehicle while there was a spotter and a driver, or the spotter didn't pay attention, or the driver didn't pay attention to the spotter, and the actual vehicle hits the aircraft. So, and air transportation, that's part of our job. Spotting vehicles, a big part. We make sure all low team crew members are briefed, and we make sure we use lighting wads, and we make sure we have reflective vest on. And we make sure the driver is always within viewing distance of the spotter, and the spotter knows if the driver can't see him that he probably can't, tell what he's supposed to be doing. So we just make sure they're in constant view and communication with each other. So this driver knows if, hey, I don't understand his hand signal, I stop and I call him to come over. The spotter knows, hey, if I see the driver's coming too close or he's not paying attention to me, I'm going to tell him to stop. When I was an airman, I was stationed at Herbert Field. I was involved in a 60K tonner mishap, and pretty much with that mishap, I was a spotter. The driver could not see me. Because the driver could not see me, he did not stop in time, and he backed into a vehicle. And how that affected me, it just made me more aware of my surroundings and more aware of proper spotting techniques. So I guess it was a lesson learned for me in my shop. So we knew we had to make sure that everyone could see each other, and we had to make sure our environment was safe and that everyone knew what was going on. The next mishap will be a vehicle-to-vehicle accident with spotting, or a vehicle-to-aircraft accident, and pretty much it's going to deal with someone new, someone who may not know the spotting signals, or someone who may have deviated from using the proper spotting techniques. And with that comes the risk of everyone not being on the same page. And with everyone not being on the same page, the driver may not know what this is. This isn't stop. They may go here, and this is stop. So whenever you see something like that, it's important to correct it, and that everybody's on the same page, so everyone knows what's going on. If everyone doesn't know what's going on, that's when accidents happen. So, and to prevent that, I would make sure everyone was briefed, and just make sure you stop. Whenever you see something that's not right, just make sure you stop it. If it's not the standard, it's not right.